of all, I'm from the South.
Okay. Oh, that's a good way.
And it goes back to sometime.
Sometime. If I've had a long day of work, right, regardless of me working at home or me working in the office, okay?
Say, give me some dap, I'll get you.
Can I have some rest? Can I have some peace and quiet? Exactly. And can I have a meal that's not 100 takeout?
No,
but are you gonna judge the quality? Like if she's not as good as a cook as you are,
I'm not asking you to be a chef. I'm just asking you, if I've had a hard day, can I get a meal?
Women who work, and what about my hard day, my 10, 13 hours a day, and I come home, can I get a good meal?
And she's taking care of her kids.
Wait a minute, Shadow. She does work those hard long hours, but she can't cook, so she need a man know how to cook and teach her how to cook. I take that.
If I have worked 12 or 14 hours, that's my job. I work 12 or 14 hours.
I understand.
And I've been overseas where I've worked 24 hours overseas in a war zone, mind you.
I'm here with you.
I'm with you.
All I want is,
I get it.
if I don't feel like cooking, can you pick up the slack?
Okay, not only that.
Wait, listen, it's not fair for you to comment because you
supposed to be a model.
Listen,
what if she
make women like you no more?
What if she ordered a gourmet meal?
Yes, and put it on the plate.
and put it on the plate, and made it nice and pretty for you.
I'm sure he would be fine with that, but he wants it to be hot. Run his bath water.
I can do all that.
Listen, Chef Ramesh.
And I'm raising my hand.
Wait, let him answer the question. What if it was a gourmet meal? If it was a gourmet meal, it was prepared by someone else, but she ordered it fresh, and she went and picked it up, and she heated it up and served it to you.
Would you be good with that?
Would that be okay? Even if she didn't take the time herself to make it.
Because she don't know how to cook, but she did take the initiative.
So here's my thing. Can you at least make the attempt in the kitchen, so I can judge for myself?
Right, that's true. If you like it or not.
Okay, so you want her to make an attempt.
That's true.
Make an attempt in the kitchen.
Okay. I can attempt to not burn down the house.
See that?
You said attempt.
That's fair.
You cooked it. I achieved not burning down the house.
Listen. Ramesh said a word.
Everybody's different, so I don't have a problem with,
what she said.
You catering to my needs.
Right.
I don't necessarily need you sweating over the stove.
Yeah.
But just show me some humanity every now and then. If I'm outside cutting the grass, just show me some humanity.
Come on.
I did learn that.
In the driveway,
I did learn
just
that.
show me some humanity. And I love her to death.
No.
But these are things that have to be
I did learn that. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm inside on my computer. He's outside cutting the grass, right? Or outside
you don't have to
washing.
add to my story.
No. Washing the cars or whatever in the driveway. And I'm inside completely focused on something else. But I need to be mindful and aware of my surroundings as a wife and understand that he needs some iced tea or he needs some iced water or he needs he needs a tuna salad, right? He needs whatever, right? Okay. But I want to get back to one particular word that Ramesh said that we haven't addressed. He said the word peace.
That's right.
Okay. Peace. And let me tell you something. Before Mark and I got married, I said we need to come together and share our expectations of each other, right?
Yeah.
My expectations list was slightly longer than his. Okay. His was 2 things.
Oh wow.
Because some men just keep it simple, right? Mark just kept it simple. 2 things. First thing, peace in the house.
That's right. That's number 1.
That's number 1. Second thing, do you remember?
Hell no.
What is that, Michelle?
Second thing was.
Why should I?
Second thing was remain physically attractive to me.
Yeah, that's good.
He had 2 expectations,
that's good.
right? Okay.
Life changes though.
Now,
so that may not be you know,
okay.
on the table.
I had 14 expectations. What?
Do you remember all of them?
Yeah, please tell us.
I have them.
She remembers all of them?
No, I don't. I have them on a list in email somewhere. But let's go back to the peace thing. Okay, Ramesh.
Yes.
Define for us what peace means for you.
In your household.
I have a very high, all the jobs I've had have been very, very high stress. Okay. I was in DOD as a government civilian. I've also been deployed overseas as a government civilian. I held the same rank as and everything else as Lieutenant Colonel when I was overseas. So I've spent my time on battlefields. Okay. I chose this area because it don't matter if it's summertime, springtime, winter, autumn. It ain't that many kids in this neighborhood.
Right.
I don't have to come home to a whole bunch of noise.
Exactly.
So much quiet.
I got peace and quiet in this
Serenity.
house.
Quiet.
Serenity.
That's the word, serenity.
Right.
I have that. I don't have nobody in my ear 24/7 saying, do this, do this, do this. I'm like, no, that's not what this is.
Right.
You know, be part of a marriage and partnership, sure, I want that. Everybody wants that. However, you know, can I prop my feet up a little bit and rest about 5 to 10 minutes or an hour?
No, 30 minutes.
You know, before I'm voluntold, do this, do that, do this.
I agree with you.
Your honey-do list.
Your honey-do list.
Right.
My husband
I'm just
has
saying,
one.
because in my job, I work consistently 12 hours or more. In my current job right now, I manage a team. Because I decided if I'm gonna get a headache, well hell, I'm gonna go the contract route.
Right.
Give me a headache, but pay me for my headache.
Pay me for my headache.
You know, but at the same time too, when I come home, I want some peace.
Yeah, because what you did with that work, you didn't come home to it. You need some peace. And but let me ask him. Let me comment on what he said. Let me feedback on what he said, and I agree with him because when my husband come home, he's the supervisor at the post office. He's been there 38 years. My thing is when he come home, I done been home and took a nap, honey. I get to my sleep. I take a nap every day. When he come home, I let him, sit on the couch for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, unwind, whatever. But after that, I'm up while he's doing that. I'm making sure his dinner ready and all that. And then, it's time for me to go to bed because he like stay up. But, I make sure I serve my husband. I fix my husband's plate. I remove his plate. All of that. But, people say to me, you old school. Yes, I am. Because that's the way I was raised. But if he wasn't treating me right.
Right. No,
well, it ain't even that. Hold on.
No, you hold on. I'm sorry. You hold on. What does that mean, treating you right?
No, before we go there.
No, Mark. I'm just one guy.
Everybody,
I'm asking a question.
Disrespectful. And I'm your wife. I'm cooking for you. I'm washing it. It's to the point where I don't even want when the house is clean, I clean the house. He takes it outside. He don't do it physically. He pays somebody to do it, but it's being taken care of. But my thing is, if I'm clean, like my sister said, I work every day. And I work long hours, but when I come home, I make sure my son and my husband is fed. Like I said, I don't cook on Fridays. He know I don't cook on Fridays. I don't cook on Saturdays. You can go out and order food for us, whatever you want. But Sunday, I'm cooking a meal. Monday, if all the food gone, I cook, but I cook enough on Sundays the last 2 days.
Where are you from? Born and raised?
Born and
she
raised
married.
by my mama. She married. North Carolina.
She married. And so are you.
And my mom deceased.
No, she's good. I'm just saying.
She is. I tell her that.
I'm just saying.
Not
to be disrespectful to anyone.
Right. Right.
You got some good upbringing.
Oh yeah, I did. I had no choice. My aunt started. Well, my parents passed when I was young. My dad died. Well, he got killed when I was 9. My mom died when I was 10. My aunt and uncle raised us, but my aunt was a chef, like this gentleman here. She don't want to be, like he said, cooking. Well, this is not his day job, but that's what she did at Marriott. She was a chef. Me and my cousin in the household, she's like, I'm not cooking all day for all these people.
And then they come home and you got
I was baking homemade cakes at the age of 14, cooking, and she's from the South. So that's how I know. But other than that, and I just stuck to that. I was mad because I'm like, well, that's how I be doing all that. I want to be outside my boyfriend. But I appreciate it.
I respect you.
Okay.
And see, I'm the opposite. I was a tomboy.
And that's straight up.
So,
and I'm 62 years old.
62? Show me some ID. I'm sorry, Michelle.
I'm going to show you. Because I respect you.
I thought you were 63.
Don't worry about it. I'll be 63 too. But you take a note from respectful people.
Yeah. I chose well, right?
You did.
Okay, did I choose well?
Good. Wait a minute,
give me some that. No, I'm 49.
Oh, I'm like, you don't look that age. No, she don't.
Okay, can I get some that B over here on the phone. I chose well, right? When we got married, right?
Yeah, and disrespect, but you look good. He look beautiful.
He looked younger than me.
He looks young.
Make you young.
When we got married,
and I'm not going to do religion on this, but it's glory to God.
13 years, my senior.
Glory to God.
I already know. Glory to God. Yes.
You cannot perpetrate a fraud in life and expect to live a queen or a king life.
Yeah,
that's true.
That's
absolutely
I let it be known up front.
That's
true.
I
was a tomboy growing up, so those cooking skills came late in life.
Right, but they came.
But they're coming. I'm learning. Just please don't expect a gourmet meal.
Put it up front.
But I will get in the kitchen if you show me how to make it.
But it's not.
Wait.
You know what? I don't mind teaching.
But why go to? Wait a minute. We're talking about traditional gender roles. Why is it always on you?
Oh,
what is he coming?
I love
okay, we're just talking about cooking, right?
I love me a man.
Is he bringing anything?
My husband can cook, but I do 80% of the cooking because I want to.